Hi, everyone. Please note that this event will be recorded and then will be shared on like LinkedIn for social media content because the aim is to help others to get certified and learn. If they didn't know about the knowledge and the resources, they will get it from us here and on our socials. So feel comfortable to switch off like your cameras or open it and then delay the SAP certified professional. She's here. She's going to take us through whatever. I'm the host, Pumele Lopiki, Sip&Cloud. So I'm not going to be long. Then take over, delay. Welcome, everyone.
We need drum roll here.
You can say poo, 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 or you can like Sip&Cloud.
Drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls. Hey, thank you so much. Hi, guys. My name is Ndile, the host with the most. And I honestly hope the information that I have today will be very much helpful to you. And yeah, feel free to ask me any questions. But yeah, I'll be as open and as free as I can be. So who is Ndile? Um, can we keep our mics off unless we are talking, and can you kindly raise our hands if ever we have questions or any comments? And also we will have our LinkedIn sent through the chat, and anyone who wants to connect, let us connect in network, right? So my name is Ndile Zamini, born and bred in Soweto, and yeah, a qualified boilermaker, but now I'm in cloud. So I don't want to say much about that, but yes, that's just who I am. I moved from engineering all the way to IT. So I have AWS, I have Azure fundamentals, and I also have SAP, which is what we're going to be talking about today, SAP. SAP is just a small, what is it, an abbreviation? I don't know. But anyways, the full meaning of SAP is System Application and Products, of which it is a resource planning software that is widely used, right? So a lot of people are using SAP, and it's not just IT or retail. Even in your mechanical engineering companies, they do use it. So my first knowledge on SAP happened when I was doing my boiler making. And along the way, we did the sourcing or supply chain and management SAP, which was where you like literally plan what's my call? Yes, the whole running away, my face.
Okay, sorry to jump on. Someone is asking, can you please repeat what SAP stands for? Maybe you can type on the chat.
It's fine. I'll say it again. So SAP is System Application and Product. Like I said, they use it on retail, on IT, and on all these other companies like your mechanical side and stuff. So people use it for different reasons, right? There's different certificates that you can do as well, right? So depending on what you are, if you are maybe a developer, you can do something related to developer side. If you are into logistics, you can do something related to that. If you are into ABAP, those whole different things, right? So SAP is very wide and it works hand in hand with each other. So what's the importance of SAP is that it creates a centralized system for businesses that allows every department to access and share common files or goals or understandings, right? So say maybe I'm working with Umpumi, and maybe there's something that she needs from me, the security side of things. Then, of course, say I'm on the security or on the authorization side, I will have to give her access to whatever that she needs, right? So it's something of that nature. Like maybe on the logistics side, maybe you want to purchase something on supply chain, or maybe you need to get a new vehicle for, company deliveries and stuff like that. So that's people interact the most with SAP. And also HR-wise, it does like the whole roundup of the business. And then what is it used for? It is used to control all kinds of critical business functions. It literally helps organizations to run faster and more efficient. So they work together as a whole. IT, HR, supply chain, developers, back end, front end, all type of thing, right? It's still good.
Yes, I think we'll see on the chat or someone will raise their hand or something. I don't see anything. Yes.
But I'm open for questions. Anyone having questions? Okay. So SAP provides multiple business functions with real-time and accurate insights into operations, meaning whatever information that you get or whatever information that you're dealing with, it has to be very much accurate, right? So You cannot fumble, make a mistake, and what you need to always make sure that your information is very much accurate because you are dealing with clients. So now imagine I'm your client, I'm coming to do my hair and you fail to do what I want to do, the way I want you to do it. Of course, I'm not going to be happy with your service and I'll definitely slide that. I'll go to a different people, right?
Yes.
And mostly SAP is an ERP, right? Which is enterprise resource planning. So it's that broad, it's that big, instead of customer relations management, which is CRM, not like your Salesforce and stuff. So yeah, are we still good there? Are we good? Okay.
Just relax. It's okay. When you miss something, you just apologize to us. We're here for each other, and then you continue. And then you pause a bit. It's okay. It's fine.
That's why I'm asking, if are we good? Do people understand what I'm talking about? Is everyone here? Do they understand?
Maybe for sure you're gonna share the resources later, and then they will view them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So the certificate you might want to look into in case you are interested. It's implementation consultant. There's SAP Analytics Cloud. There's SAP Generative AI Developer. There's SAP Fiori System Administrator. There's Project Manager, which falls under SAP Activates. There's SAP S4HANA Cloud, and there's ABAP Cloud. So like I said, guys, SAP is quite broad, and I know in as much as the certificates might be very much pricey or costly, there's also other ways to go about it. Like for me, for instance, I joined via a program called SAP Educate to Employ that was offered by Umuzi last year. And I mean, you get to understand what SAP is fully and how it really operates, right? So what Umuzi does is that I think their application is still open. I'm not sure as yet, but yeah, if you know Umuzi, you can even check them on LinkedIn. I will share my LinkedIn profile here, and then you guys can like literally go there, or you can just inbox me if you have other questions. So what I did was, obviously, you have to go through the whole application process. You take their psychometric test and whatnot, and then you choose the stream. So we had 4 streams. There was developer, logistics, finance, and customer service, and I chose the logistics one because I understand that with the logistics is more broader, or it's more wider for you to understand all the end-to-end business dealings of SAP. So if you are interested on the Educate to Employ program, I'm not sure if it's closed yet, but it is open. The last time I checked, it was open. So yeah, you will have to go through their screening process and whatnot and all. But if you know you just want like some resources to learn about SAP and all that, you can just go to your internet and just type SAP Learning Hub, and it will show you some of the courses that you can do for free. You can learn for free, but unfortunately, when you're taking the certificate, you have to pay for it, and the prices, they're different depending on the kind of certificate that you really want to write. So, yeah.
Okay. Maybe we can just do the cheers, or we Sip&Cloud, and then you take over. You let us know how far you've got. Okay. Cheers, guys. Sip&Cloud moment. Cheers. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ndile. Just wanna. Oh yeah.
I was about to say.
Yes.
Hey.
Thank you. I just want to ask you, how long did it take you to prepare for the certificates and then exam? And since you're also working, how were you balancing like work and studies?
Hectic. Okay, so guys, SAP is really a lot of work, especially if it's self-study, right? So I was doing self-study. I was given the whole platform to look into, understand whatever that is. But now, understand that I had to relocate from Joburg, coming to Cape Town for work, and now there's SAP involved. And when I started SAP, I was not working. So it was, I was just like, oh yeah, I can do this every day free. Now I'm working. Now there's SAP. And I had to like literally juggle both. So what I do would be that when I'm at the office, I do my office work, do whatever. But immediately when I got home, there's always that voice that's saying, SAP is waiting for you. And I'm just like, you know what? And as much as at some point I wanted to give up, but I was just like, okay, no.
So how long did it take you? 2 months, 3 months, 4 months?
So the whole program was for a year, but we only had like a month to prepare for exams.
Okay. And then labs environment on the hub that you just mentioned, so that they can learn hands-on on it?
So the thing is, with SAP, it's different. I believe on the developer side, they were using other resources like your MongoDBs. They had other things that they had to install on their systems,
okay,
depending on what you have to do. But on logistics, there was whereby you watch the tutorials on how to create like customer relations, how to look into the storage locations of the products in the warehouse, and how to locate all of those things. and how to get the source number and make sure that it links to the customer order number or the supply number and all that. So obviously there are labs like you are saying, like on AWS, there are labs where you need to complete and all that. So there is something similar to that. But like I'm saying, I'm not sure if it's available for free when you log into their, when you create an account under SAP. But all I know is you can do the learning for free, but it's not fully exclusive to everyone.
No, it does make you want the knowledge. Thank you so much. And then just to ask another question, not sure whether you wanted to continue. Can wait.
Okay, yeah, sorry. So what I wanted to say is that they can give you as much information they can, but everything else you just have to pay for.
Yes, yes. Quality over quantity. Okay. And then does the certificate expire or something like that?
Okay, so yes, the certificates actually expire. They take like a year to expire. That's meaning you have to do continuous learning. It's an everyday thing. So if you know you're someone who's not yet to practice SAP or who's still trying to find your feet in the cloud or in tech and whatnot, and you just don't know where to start, you can definitely do your SAP. Try finding things to do around SAP, like the labs, like you were saying. Find projects that you can do so that you can enhance your skills. Because yes, you might have the certificate, but do you really understand
collaboration?
Okay. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, yes. I think okay. Not sure whether
someone we had Alpha.
Ask a question. Anyone is welcome.
Yeah, I think we had Alpha with her hand raised. So,
okay, okay, yeah. Alpha, you're welcome. Hi, Alpha.
Is she still there?
Yes, yes, I can see her.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Maybe she will ask the question when she can hear us. I'm not sure whether maybe it's network issue. It's okay. So last or maybe last two questions that I want to ask from you. So what is your goal after the certification? Are you applying maybe for there is a job? Maybe you're doing a business analysis. What kind of jobs are you gonna be doing with the certificates? Are you applying for promo or something?
Okay.
Why did you do the certificates?
Okay, so with SAP, there's different levels, right? It's like AWS and Microsoft.
Yes.
So that's your normal consultant level, and then you get your associate.
Yes.
Your specialist level, so they're different, or professional level.
Yes.
Right? So if you're doing the consultant, it's like I wouldn't say basic, but it's like the beginning of everything. That's where everything starts, like the layer, the foundation of everything. But in as much as we are all humans and we have our own inspirations, goals, and things that you want to achieve, like you can literally climb up the ladder, right? Because I mean, if you have your consultant certificate and you move over to a different one, say maybe a professional one, or like maybe your solutions that takes type of thing and what.
So what's the entry level is consultant. Consultant is the
extension. Yeah, and then go with that. But also remember, there are companies that are starting on that consultant level. Like you can, with SAP, what I love with SAP is that you can get all the knowledge that you need and apply yourself to your everyday life.
Yes.
Just at work. So, I mean, a lot of these, especially here in Cape Town, a lot of these companies are using SAP. So you can still use your digital marketing things and apply SAP knowledge on that.
Okay.
How and then affects customers.
Yes.
Customer relation. How do you interact with customers? Yes, digital marketing does teach you how to interact with customers, but also SAP does teach you how to interact with customers. How do you create a whole friendly customer relation? How do you make sure that you stay ahead of the game with your suppliers, the things like how do you manage your things?
Yes.
So say for instance, you don't remember where you plugged this particular thing and all that. You can easily go back to the list and it will show you the storage bin that, oh, okay, your jewelry is on room number 5 or number 6.
Okay. And then how is the payments? How are the salaries like? Are they good, or you don't need to really reveal the figures, but just estimation?
Guys, everything goes, everything is market related. I don't want to lie. Everything is just market related. So
you negotiate.
If you guys don't understand, I'm sorry, but masithi nje mhlambe kuyafika laphaya ko-30 ko-40 ngenyanga.
Okay. That's okay. I think that's all. But if you have some motivational words, we'd love to hear them. It helps to uplift the spirits of others and also, to get started. Let's start with starters.
Okay. So what I would say is, there's a quote.
Yes, there's Kosi. Oh, sorry, there's Kosi. I think he's raising his head. Okay.
Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Am I
Nkosi.
audible?
See,
Hi,
Uh,
Nkosi.
okay. I think I have my friends here who are maybe first time joining us on this webinar. So I have this one who said, okay, they have an agent. They always tell him about this certificate, which is SAP. So he didn't know what is SAP, and maybe if you can actually motivate him that he needs to start, and he's already a software developer, but they require this certificate, and he thinks it's vital for him to maybe have this certificate so that he can go overseas. I think it's on the wood there. Yeah, maybe you can motivate here and there.
Okay. Sorry, Nkosi, you said what stream is he under?
IT.
Okay,
Software
but
dev.
what kind of certificate does he have to do on SAP to go overseas?
That's the thing. We don't know. He doesn't know also.
Oh, okay. So
But he's going through this path of which is software dev. So maybe you can explain on that.
okay,
Because you said SAP is broad and you took logistics, but you can maybe take which one? You said which one? The
developer.
other one.
develop.
Yes, develop. Yes.
So
Yeah, maybe. Okay,
oh,
can continue.
okay. So with developer, I'm not really into that side because I did the logistics one, but I know you can get I'll get the names for you, and please DM me or I'll send them to Ngozi. But I know you can also do ABAP. It falls both on developer and on cloud, and there's also other two digital something that has got to do.
Theory, SAP Theory application developer and
Yes,
SAP Cloud application development.
yes. ABAP is the
Yeah.
application cloud.
Which one?
ABAP, ABAP.
Yes. APEP it focuses on properties like a programming language used for developing
Yeah,
SAP.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I'm saying I'm not sure if Itumeleng is here. Can you see anyone named Itumeleng here?
Mm,
Or Ndile? Please look for Itumeleng or Ndile between the two.
Ndile. Okay. I don't see them, but I think
Yeah.
you can share with Unkosi and the kind.
The kind of certificate that they have to do. Yes, I will definitely do that. I will share with you. But yes, they can like literally look into the developer side. I know they're gonna focus a lot more on these apps that they are developing and planning for the whole subsystem. And I know that if ever you are still using the old ECC system by 2028, most companies, actually all the companies need to have moved to S4HANA because it's the migration of SAP, right? So I know that it has a lot of employment opportunities. So if they would look into that, they would like literally get whatever that they need, especially wanting to go over.
Okay. I think the last question is like, how much is the exam? Is an exam? You said it's costly. So
Okay. Okay, so for one trial or like your one attempt, right? It's like you need to buy the attempt for like 4.8, if not 5K direct. And then yeah, and then depending on the certificate that you're writing, you have to pay for the other money. And guys, it's crazy, man. I don't want to lie to you.
yeah.
The
So with
certificate that I wrote,
Umuzi, does Umuzi like fund you or something? Maybe 50% of the certification they pay for, and you pay for yourself, or you pay it like fully.
okay, so with us, it was different because we're the first group of educate to employ, right? And
Yes.
Umuzi was working hand in hand with SAP and UNICEF.
Yes.
So all the vouchers that we got were fully funded.
Oh
But
wow.
if you want to do it alone, it's guys, it's hectic. The certificate I wrote was for 70,000, the business implementation.
Yes. Okay.
So
Okay.
imagine now writing that certificate and failing, guys.
Oh sure. Let's check Umuzi. We're not gonna fail because you are here to help. You'll share
There's resources, guys.
yes. Thank you
Actually,
so
there was a question on the thingy, on the chat, Mbumi.
Yes. Okay. I'm just reading Umtobo's message. Okay. He's asking if we can share the LinkedIn before we close.
Okay, I will definitely do that. Yes, let me do that.
Yes. I beg your pardon. What were you saying, Ndile?
Can we, okay, sorry, Oman, for example, can we implement subsystem in transportation business? Like, of course, you can, definitely. You can,
So for all businesses.
yes. But
Wow.
obviously, you can't do it as an individual person. It has to be the whole business solution. So if it's Uber, that's thinking, it's the one that has to go to SAP and then discuss whatever, not you as a driver.
Okay. Makes sense. Okay.
I'm trying to paste my LinkedIn link. It doesn't want to.
I have. That's why I'm like saying cheers so that maybe people can copy and paste, and then we can follow each other on LinkedIn. And more of the people are still gonna join us and share their businesses. I can see Amanda, the founder of Busy Innovates. I can see like Tobo. He's got something upcoming. So like it's just a platform that we're gonna share and help each other, especially our sisters and brothers who are far away from villages, for example, as I'm from the villages. So we're trying by all means to give back to the community with whatever that we have learned in like tech, cloud, AI. Yes, yeah. So we did had like previous sessions as well, which was like meet and greets and webinars on like cloud. So you guys like feel free to reach out. We're here to help. We'll be honest. If you have to pay, you have to pay. Like it's a goal that everybody should have like their YouTube channels. We have to make passive income in the cloud. We will build online stores. We'll build like with all the tools that we are learning from, and then we implement. We do hands-on. When we meet, we encourage like networking more. So we do share tech events a lot, and then we just meet there at the tech, and it's so comfortable when there's familiar faces that you know, and then we're good to go. We just don't want to do sort of racism or something. So we are like multi-cloud, multi-cooler. We attend cybersecurity events. We attend cloud events. We attend AI events. We're not fighting giants. We're starting with the starters. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, I see Tambelani has a question. I would ask, which certificates is the best you can recommend to do between AWS? Well, honestly, it depends on you as a person. I have AWS and I have SAP and I have Microsoft. So depending on your career goals, where you want to reach in life, but also remember that you don't know which door you're gonna open up with whatever certificate that you might have. I would suggest do both. If you have all the financial means, if you have all the time, please just do both. Because now the knowledge that you gain from the AWS certificate with the knowledge that you get with the SAP certificate, they still work hand in hand in cloud. At the end of the day, cloud is cloud, guys. Yes. Cloud is cloud. And in as much as the systems might not be different, or might be different in a way, but some of the proceedings, they are the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, last but not least, word of encouragement.
I had a quote, but now I don't know if I should add that. But anyways, the quote says, even a fool has a story to tell, but you first have to listen, right? So in as much as we all have our stories to tell, listen to someone else so that they can also give you an ear to listen to you. Also, guys, please do not hesitate to go out there and do those certificates, because you don't know which door will open up for you.
Boo, 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 boo.
Ndile, the host.
Yeah, thank you so much, everyone who has joined. We're gonna share the link on socials, and then you can just watch the video and give thumbs up. And please keep on supporting us. And then if you have a story, do let us know. We host you, we advertise, and don't worry, no need for the slides, no need to stress yourself. It's a relaxed encouragement hybrid. Please announce the
I was about to.
Yes.
Okay, so on our next session between Mpumi and I, not the one she will do with someone else, on our next session, we would like to invite you guys to a proper meetup session, right? Face to face this time around. It's either we will do a picnic or bowling, and we get to learn and share views on different things.
Yes, okay.
Please don't forget to follow Umuzi's YouTube channel.
Yes, the link will be there. Thank you so much, guys. And they can see the previous meetups, and we continue impacting our communities. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great weekend.
You guys please. If you see me, don't hesitate to come to me and say hi.
Boo, 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 boo.
Thank you.
I'll be the last person to leave the room.
Of course, you have to be the last person.
Oh, Kosi, you can continue. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I had asked for music, Mama, because we'll be sitting and talking without nice music.
Without nice music.
DJ and the drone guy.
I don't know. Yes, Nkosi, please make sure you are there. You are taking us the video.
Okay, look.
You are our videographer, microphones and everything.
When is the meetup?
We're gonna discuss that.
Yes.
Oh, okay, no, it's okay.
After you complete, it's January.
Okay. Why next month? February.
Not this month. We're not saying
We'll
this
see.
month.
We'll see. Don't worry.
Okay, it's cool. No, thank you to these guys who joined us today. It was insightful. You briefed us, Ndile, and we thank you for what you shared with us.
I hope the noise on the street was not disturbing.
No, it's cool. I think you did something special, and
don't forget Iowa, guys. We are going to Iowa as soon as it comes back.
When
events.
Oh, the
Iowa,
events. Okay.
Iowa.
Yeah.
Because if we are doing hackathons, please don't disappoint us.
Speaking of cheers, can you follow other people on LinkedIn? The LinkedIns are there. Go see and Ndile won't finish. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you, guys.
I'm done.
We will continue on WhatsApp. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.